My name is Kelly Armstrong, and I'm going to lead you through setting up your Dolphin NeuroStim kit for self-treatment and application. So take your Dolphin device, push your polarity onto the negative, and the skin tone slider onto dry. This will help you locate the point when you get ready to treat. So now I want you to take your small oval pads, take one off, and put it onto the silver dispersal plate. So this is what we call the thumb plate with the cord hanging down. You can take the white connector cord, connect it to the end of your pad that's on the thumb plate. Take the other connector in and put it into one of the rectangle pads. So this is the pad that's actually going to go on your tummy below your belly button, okay? And it will be connected to the Dolphin NeuroStim. So next, I want you to take the black cord, which has two ends, one connector in and one cap. We're going to take the cap end and put it onto the end of the Dolphin where there's the tip. Okay, so you're going to press in nice and slow. It's kind of tight, so you want to make sure that you get it nice and firm all the way around. You want a very flush fit of the cap all the way around the tip, okay, because this is one of the connectors. And then you're going to take your last connector tip and you're going to plug it into one of the 3 ear clips. Now this standalone ear clip was the very first ear clip that came in the kit. This one you have to slide the connector into the actual ear clip itself, okay, and then you're ready to clip it. The other 2, we have a white and a black model now. They each have the ear clip with a wire. The wire is what connects to the black cord. And then you have the ear clip on the end. The black clip is the same as the white, and these are a little bit more robust, a little bit easier to use and make your connection. I want to end this video with making sure you understand the 4 connector points to using your kit. You have to have this pad on your silver plate. You have to have it connected to your rectangle pad that then will go below the belly button, touching the skin. You have to have the black cap nice and firm or secure around the end tip of the Dolphin. And then you need your ear cord plugged in nice and firm, whether it is the clip or one of the cords. And then your clip is then going to go either on your earlobe or on the tragus of the ear. So there's 4 places of connection with these parts.